We've decided to plan a lesson for year one. The objective is to represent and use number bonds up to 10, and the resource would be cuisenaire rods. The starter would be to question children the value of each rod. So, for example, you'd show them a 10, and they would each have a whiteboard, and they would have to write 10 on the whiteboard, or show them an 8, and they would have to show an 8.
So before the children do the number bonds to 10, we'd go through the number bonds to 5 with them first, and we'd show them the number bonds to 5, but by just using 2 other numbers. So we'd have a 5, which could equal a 4 and a 1, or a 3 and a 2. And then we'd explain to them that that's just using 2 numbers, but we can make it by using more.
So then you'd say to them you could use more by using 5 1s, or 2 2s and a 1, or 3 and 2 1s, and then they could see whether they've got it right or not by putting it against the 5 to see if it equals the right amount.
So the children would use whiteboards for this, so they could write down like 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 equals 5, or 1 and 2 and 2 equals 5, or 1 and 1 and 3 equals 5. And this is an advantage of using the cuisenaire rods, because it's a visual representation which supports the theory of wing and taken.
Also could be seen as a disadvantage though, because they might spend ages getting them all to look nice in a line rather than focusing on what they should be doing, like making them value 5.
The children will then use the knowledge from looking at number bonds to 5, and they will apply this knowledge, and in pairs they will make number bonds to 10.
Using 2 rods.
Yeah.
So that shows the theory of social constructivism, because the children are working in pairs.